Welcome back to Best Reviews. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best sewing machines in 2024 that will take your sewing game to the next level. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these machines are packed with features you'll love. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you never miss out on our latest reviews. And as always, you can check the links to all the featured products down in the description box below. Let's get started. If you're looking for a compact, travel-friendly sewing machine that doesn't skimp on functionality, the Singer M1150 is a fantastic option. This sewing machine features a clean, timeless white design, making it a visually appealing addition to any sewing space. But it's not just about aesthetics. Its lightweight and portable build make it perfect for those who need to move their machine around, whether you're attending a sewing class or working in a smaller space like an apartment. You can easily tuck it away when not in use, making it a convenient option for sewing enthusiasts on the go. Coming in at number 4 is the Brother GX37, a versatile machine that's packed with features to handle everything from basic mending to intricate sewing projects. It boasts an impressive 37 built-in stitches, which include decorative, zigzag, and stretch stitches, as well as an auto-size buttonhole feature. This variety allows you to experiment with different techniques and styles, making it suitable for both casual sewing and more creative projects. Plus, Brother offers its at-your-side support, providing free technical assistance via online chat, phone, or live chat, ensuring you'll always have help when you need it. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 is the perfect choice for those looking to elevate their sewing game. With a high-performance computerized machine, this model is packed with advanced features that cater to both sewing and quilting enthusiasts. With an impressive 600 built-in stitches and lettering capabilities, you have a wide array of decorative options at your fingertips. Additionally, it offers 5 different fonts for personalizing your projects, making it ideal for those who love crafting unique, customized pieces. For those tackling heavier fabrics or larger projects, the Singer Heavy Duty 4452 is a powerhouse machine designed to meet your needs. Its enhanced piercing power is driven by a stronger motor, allowing you to sew through multiple layers of fabric with ease. This makes it perfect for projects involving denim, canvas, or other thick materials. With its easy-to-use stitch selector dial, you can quickly switch between stitches, making this machine a great option for both simple mending and more complex projects. Taking the top spot is the Brother XM2701, a lightweight yet feature-packed machine that offers an excellent balance of functionality and ease of use. With 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, zigzag, blind hem, and stretch stitches, this machine is perfect for a wide range of everyday sewing tasks. It also features an auto-size buttonhole, making it easy to create buttonholes with just the press of a button. The free arm design makes it easy to work on cuffs, sleeves, and other hard-to-reach areas, making it suitable for beginners and advanced users alike. Like the GX37, the XM2701 is backed by Brother's at-your-side support, offering free technical help for the life of the machine.